Hi everybody, let's make this dress changing doll. So cut the shape of the dress from this paper, cut it, and we are going to color another paper cup like this. Put the doll on the top of it and look, it is ready. Draw the body of the porcupine on this cardboard using black marker. After this we are going to spread this orange clay like we are doing here and dab its squirrels like this. Cut it and look, it is ready. Look at this colorful pickle. Let's make it. So take 3 sticks and cut it. We're going to combine it together and put a small piece at the center and paste stickers on the top, and it's ready. Let's make this colorful flower pot. Make the flowers using clay and fill the paper cup using clay and marbles, and dab the grape stem on it and paste the flowers, and look, it is ready. Get this plastic bottle and fill it with clay and marble. Now we are making heart shape using red clay. Dab it on the green clay like we are doing here. Now we are going to make a bouquet by cutting this mask and cover it like this around the plastic bottle, and look, it is ready. Get this plastic bottle and paste Twix around it. Now fill it with brown clay and dab this Twix around it. Paste colorful clay balls, and look, it is ready.